Hi everyone. So today I did the flour that we've done before. So I just kind of cut the last video that we did with this flour. You'll get 3 cookies each, and you could do this technique, or you can do the regular technique, like outlining the cookie and then filling it in, flooding it in. Once it dries, you could put a dot in the middle, and there goes your flour. So you have 2 different techniques that you can do. It's just the same as the circle and the square, same thing. So same video like before. It's cold outside, so if you want, you could add a very little bit of water, as I did here. And you're just gonna mix it all up until all the clumps go away. So that is what I'm doing now, because it got a little bit crusty. So these are not the colors for this week. I believe I gave you guys pink and the brown. So I gave you the brown. There's only a little bit in there, only because if you want, you could do the smallest drop in your royal icing, and it will make kind of like an ivory color, a light brown ivory looking color, cream like. So you can either do that or you can use the pink, or you could do the 2 different ones for like a 2-tone flower. All right, and then again, these are the supplies you're going to have. You have the cup, the little squeeze bottle. You're going to have your royal icing, the scissors, your toothpick. Again, your toothpick is for after you flood your cookie, you just maneuver the toothpick to cover the whole entire cookie. And we're not doing these 3 cookies. We're only going to do the 1, which is the one that's circled right here. This flour is the one that I had given you guys. So you're going to get 3 of those each. So here again, I was showing that you would have to outline the opposite sides of the flower, like the petals, so one would dry off and then dry off again. The cookie that you have, you could again do this technique, or you can just outline your cookie. You just kind of roll it over, like outline the outside of the cookie, and then once that dries, you can just fill it in. You don't have to do it this way. You can do it that way as well. And then once it dries, you can just dot your other color in the middle. And then there goes your flower. So it's going to look like 2 different flowers. It's just because you're using 2 different techniques. But they're both cute. So right here, I'm just outlining the petals like before. Just like that, and then I filled it in. And then I used my toothpick and just, maneuvered it to fill that one part of the cookie. So after I did that, it dried a little bit, and I'm going to do the other 3 of the opposite sides. And again, you outline it. And another outline. And your last outline. And then you're filling it in. All right, and once it dried, you're just gonna put another little outline. Originally, I wanted to do a star, but I realized once I was making the cookies that it wasn't an actual star, it was a different shape. So next week, we'll do the star. All right, and once it dried, again, we're going to do the dot. Just a little dot. Do not fill the whole thing in. It's going to spread out and not look like a circle. So So just like that. Little dot. That's it. That's all you need. Not like this, how I did it the second way. No. Yeah. Because then it filled it in and it wasn't so pretty. And guys, that is it. And then you just throw away all of your garbage. And I'll see you next time.